Okay, now let us answer the second problem. Okay, so I tried my best to recollect the data given for this problem. This is also a memory based question based on transducers, thermocouple. A 2 marks, a multiple choice problem this time instead of a numerical answer one. But a wrong answer will give us minus 2 by 3. Okay, we'll see how to answer this problem. What is the correct answer for this problem as well? So we have two thermocouples. One is sensing theta, that is the measuring temperature. Another one is a reference temperature. Given the output of a thermocouple is given by V theta is equal to this number. I'm not sure what number is given, but this number cannot play any role in the answer. Okay, some number X. But this is a perfect data. It is 50 times your theta. Microvolt is the output. When the thermocouple is sensing theta degree C temperature. So at theta degree C temperature, this is output. Okay, so theta is a parameter. Okay, so defining your output of a thermocouple. If theta is T measuring, you can find out the corresponding voltage of this thermocouple. This is taken as V1. This can be taken as V2. V1 because of theta measuring, V2 because of theta reference. Then this is taken as E0. That's a combined voltage that is getting amplified by your ideal instrumentation amplifier given as per the problem. Okay, interestingly, the problem also included one more statement. It said, okay, consider reference junction compensation as shown in figure. Okay, so but as per the circuit given, no reference junction compensation given. That extra setup is not included. Therefore, even though the theta reference is given later 1 degree C, and in order to consider the reference junction compensation, therefore let me go with E naught as a function of the voltage generated by V1 and voltage generated by V2. Given when theta measuring is 100 degrees C, when theta reference is 1 degree C, the output voltage, the output of an ideal output of the ideal IA shown in figure is dash millivolts. So what's a V naught in millivolts? V naught in millivolts. That's your problem. So first find theta due to, sorry, V1 due to theta measuring temperature and V2 due to theta reference temperature. So therefore E naught is equal to, I can write output of the two thermocouples. They are in series opposition as per the connection. Plus minus, it's a battery, V1 battery, and this is V2 battery. So therefore the effective setup is E naught. E naught is nothing but, I am perceiving like this is V1 and this is V2. So two batteries in series opposition. That's a voltage. It's a thermo EMF circuitry. Okay, that's your E naught plus minus. So it's V1. It is due to measuring junction minus V2 that is due to reference junction. So theta measuring and this is theta reference. Therefore, what is your E naught? E naught is equal to given V theta. So replace your theta by T measuring and T reference. We'll get V measuring is equal to that number 1316350 plus 50 into theta measuring microvolts minus this one reference, that is 16350 plus 50 into theta reference microvolts. This also in microvolts. That's your E naught. Then this component will get cancelled. Okay. So then what we end up here is 50 is common theta measuring minus theta reference microvolts. Okay. It is actually per degree C we need to consider as a sensitivity, but anyway it is getting cancelled. Finally result is in microvolt. It's microvolt per degree C. So this is going to be in degree C. So then you will get a meaningful result. And given theta measuring is equal to 100 degrees C in the problem and theta reference is given as 1 degree C. Taking this data, you will end up with 50 into this 100 minus 1. So it is going to be 99 degrees C microvolt per degree C. That's output. So what is the output of your instrumentation amplifier? V naught means V naught is equal to your gain times your E naught. Okay. Okay, it's a difference amplifier, doesn't draw any current, loading effect is zero in the instrumentation amplifier, therefore the potential is intact. So V naught is 20 times your E naught. E naught is the output of thermocouples, V naught is the amplified signal coming from your instrumentation amplifier. Okay, then you get the result as V naught is equal to 20 times your E naught. So that is 20 times E naught is 50 into degree C will get cancelled. We'll get the result as in microvolt, but the result has to be in millivolts. That's a question. So it is microvolt. So then if you get it 20 into 50 is going to become 1000. So it is going to be 1000 into 99 microvolt, which becomes 99 millivolt. So the answer is 99 for this problem. Hope majority of you answered this. Okay, if that is the case, options are given like option A of 101, option B of 100, option C of 99, something like that is given. I'm not sure. Okay, but the how in what order it is given, it's up to the paper. Okay, sometimes shuffling also happens. Then on the way, another important information in this paper, there is another. It was another surprise for me. So they mixed 1 mark and 2 marks. 1 marks and 2 marks. Earlier, we'll get 1 mark from 1 to 25 questions. Then 26 to 55 will be 2 marks, but they changed the pattern. Okay, all got shuffled. Okay, so in fact, they shuffled with MCQ, MSQ, and numerical answer type, but majority of them numerical answer type. Okay, that's another information. Okay, what happened in GATE 2021 instrumentation paper. So thank you everyone. We'll update you with one more question soon. Okay, that's a problem based on thermocouple for everyone. Thank you.